Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook kabobs in the oven. First, let's talk about preparation. Marinating your ingredients for at least 30 minutes is key for maximum flavor. Make sure to cut all your meats and vegetables into uniform 1-inch pieces. This ensures everything cooks evenly. Then, carefully thread your prepared ingredients onto skewers, leaving a small space between each piece for proper heat circulation. This simple step makes a big difference. Now, let's set up your oven for success. You'll want to preheat your oven to a steady 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This consistent heat is crucial for perfectly cooked kabobs. Next, line a baking sheet with aluminum foil. This makes cleanup a breeze. Place a wire rack directly on top of the foil-lined sheet. Finally, arrange your prepared skewers on the wire rack, making sure they have enough space and aren't touching. Cooking time is vital for tender, juicy kabobs. You'll typically cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes in total. Remember to turn your kabobs halfway through the cooking process, specifically after about 8 to 10 minutes. This ensures all sides get beautifully browned and cooked evenly. For chicken, always check with a meat thermometer. It should reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. To add a delicious, slightly charred finish, broil your kabobs for the final 2 to 3 minutes. Keep a close eye on them during this step to prevent burning. Once they are done, carefully remove the hot skewers from the oven using reliable oven mitts. Before serving, allow your kabobs to rest for about 5 minutes. This resting period helps the juices redistribute, ensuring every bite is wonderfully flavorful and tender.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.